In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from your Google Calendar so they won't be able to see your events. This is very simple to do and will give you total control over who can access your calendar information, ensuring your privacy and peace of mind. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step together. First, what you'll need to do is open your Google Calendar. This can be accessed easily either through your web browser or via the Google Calendar app if you're on a mobile device. For this demonstration, let's focus on using the web version, which provides a slightly clearer view of settings for this task. Once you've got your Google Calendar open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a list of all your personal calendars. Locate the calendar you want to remove someone from. You should see 3 vertical dots appear when you hover over the calendar name. This icon is key to accessing further settings, including the ability to manage sharing permissions. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. It will open a small menu. From here, select Settings and Sharing. Selecting this option will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your calendar settings, including its visibility to other people. In this settings menu, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Share with Specific People. Here you'll see a list of everyone who currently has access to your calendar. Each person listed will have options next to their name which indicate the level of access you've granted them, ranging from simply being able to see whether you're busy to having the ability to make changes and manage sharing. To remove someone from having access, look directly to the right of their name where you'll see an X icon. Clicking this X is what will remove their access, effectively preventing them from viewing or interacting with your calendar henceforth. Once you click the X, it's a good idea to confirm that the person has been successfully removed from the list, as this confirms their existing permissions have been revoked. After that, you're all set. By following this method, you've ensured that your calendar events are private and accessible only to those who need to see them. And there you have it. Removing someone from your Google Calendar is just that easy, giving you the flexibility to manage your shared information with a simple few clicks. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it brings you a greater sense of control over your calendar's privacy settings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.